Hi everyone! Today, win has a different meaning. Work intentionally now. Remember, success doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of our collective winning habits, whether it's sales, leadership, or even in our daily life. Small choices we make compound into big results. So, what are 3 winning habits? Number 1, start your day with a clear plan. Some of us may even want to pen it down. Whichever way works for you, then by all means go ahead. Number 2, focus on high-value actions, not simply busy work. So see which among the list really will make it worth our while. Finally, number 3, build accountability, track progress, and celebrate wins, no matter how small they are. Remember, we win the future by running today's habits. We are being reminded, 1 Corinthians 9:24. Do you not know that in a race all the runners run, but only one gets the prize? So, run in such a way as to get the coveted prize. So if your team needs to replace busy cycles with winning habits, why don't you and I chat? Because we can design a program or strategy that drives real results. Connect with us, Carol at enhanceyourimage.asia. Until next time, have a great day.